student, today we are learning about some application of laser. The first of all, laser full form is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. First application for laser, medical application, eye surgery, remove tumors, cleaning, cutting tissues, skin treatment. Next application, industrial application, cutting materials, plastics and fabric with a high precision, welding materials parts in autonomic and aerospace industry. Next application, communication, used in fabric optics communication to transmit data at a very high speed, key for internet and telecommunication system. Next application, entertainment, laser show in concert, hologram and special effect. Next application, navigation and mapping, leader used in drone, self-driving car and geographic surveys. Next application, astronomy and space, measuring distance to moon. Application, security and authentication, hologram on currency, ID card, passport, laser beam, biometric scanning. Next application, chemistry, material science, industrial chemical reaction using high intensity laser pulse, study molecular structure view laser spectroscopy. Next application, manufacturing and quality control, surface profiling and defect detection. So these are some application of laser. Thank you for watching.